Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a simple cartoon heart. Now, hearts can always be tricky, especially for the younger kids. So, really easy. You want to start in the middle of your paper like this, and just make a nice big hook shape like this. Kind of like a candy cane, you just kind of start here, curve up, and then go in at an angle. Now, you want to make sure you do the exact same thing on here. Sometimes kids will kind of end it here or they'll make it really round. So you just want to start here and make that big curved line again. Then come down and go in at an angle. And then just make sure these two ends meet at a point. Now, starting here, we want to give our little cartoon heart guy a little face. So starting right here, I'm going to just make a circle for one eye. And then I'm going to make another circle for another eye. Then I'm going to make two little circles on top of here for a little reflection. And then I'm just going to color these in. And I'm going to color a little bit around the top of these. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Just kind of color it in all black. And then just fill in right around the top. Now, we want to give him a mouth. So starting right here, I'm going to make a big smiley face like this. And then I'm going to draw a really big happy face that goes down and then comes back up. Then I'm going to add a little tongue right in here. Then above here, I'm going to give him two little curved lines for eyebrows. Now, starting right here, I want to give him some legs. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, then it's going to curve down a little farther. And then I'm just going to draw another line really close together like this. Then I'm just going to draw a small oval at the bottom for his foot. Then I want it to kind of look like he's jumping a little bit. So this line, for this leg, I'm going to draw this one straight down. And then I'm going to make another one that goes straight down as well. And then I'm going to draw another little oval that's kind of at an angle right down here. Then starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve up, and then another one. And then I'm going to make a little line that kind of curves right here. That can be his thumb. And then a little line just that curves around here for his hand. Then I'm going to do the same thing over here, just a little curved line up. And then another one right here. I'm going to draw a little curved line for his thumb. And then another little line that just kind of curves right around here. Then, just kind of around here for some extra details, I'm going to add a few extra little small hearts around here. Just some different sized ones. Make some a little bigger, some a little smaller. Just so there's something else in here, put a couple little small ones right around here. Just kind of add something in here. And there you go. There is your drawing of an easy little cartoon Valentine's heart. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.